out there like that.
I know that's right. It's your motherfucking mic.
Kiss my ass twice on Sunday. Anyway, I came all the way from Charlotte, North Carolina to fuck with y'all tonight, man.
And
make some motherfucking noise if you hate your goddamn job, man.
hey! Can't say that.
I swear to God, boy, I gotta work in the morning at 9 a.m. I ain't playing with y'all. Fuck it. Y'all let me know which one of these sound better, cause I ain't fucking around. Mic check 1 2. There you go. Mic check 1 2.
Hey, I like that beat. I like beat.
They said this one.
Loud them up.
I'd like to thank every single one of y'all for coming tonight. Once again, I go by the name of MAC. This right here in front is my project. It's my latest mixtape. It's called Memoirs of a Black Sheep.
Is it free?
You can download it on DatPiff. It's not free, but if you put anything in that hat right there, I don't give a fuck if it's $1. Since we in Vietnam and I fuck with y'all, if you even put $1 in that hat, it's yours. So we're gonna start it out, G, man.
Due to some violent content, parental discretion is advised.
Seen some nice tries, couple hundred views, you swing and miss. Wasn't gonna give them exposure, nobody knows them, but hey, I had a good year. That's a good year for their promotion. You're welcome. Cause I'm a combination of Bill Bellamy, Bill Clinton, and Bill Belichick. Better mail the check. The best thing to hit Charlotte is Camden Bar. Spell his first name backwards. That rapper's handing out carpets. Be cautious, I'm tossing your bosses, carcass on crosses. Face on the milk carton, we mobbing bloody carpets and bleached apartments, lyrically speaking. You niggas the weakest, you fucking weaklings. And if the answer's on your paper, motherfucker, quit peeking. And I'm still growing, you still slowing, not quit peeking. Immaculate, magnificent, homie, your shit decent. Fuck being humble. Best in the ponds, best in the world, and best in the cat. Killer beat, resurrect the shit back. And I ain't never been the king of flexing, but the G's respect me. They think I'm crazy, they cage me, they trying to DMX me. Rappers screaming and bitching, you rhyming and PMSing. This is sport, Columbus short, niggas just get to stepping. The Mayans couldn't predict me, I'm a lion, don't fucking pet me. I'm beastin', nigga, I'm beastin', the beat need to breathe a second.
Okay.
Now that I caught my fucking breather, hit the club for skeezers, puffin' reefer. I don't need no fucking keeper, searching for a lioness. That'll fuck me so good, the sheets looking like they ain't hit the dryer yet. Flush the condom, I'm popular, kindly guided to leave in the confidence. Eating pussy and rappers, just using beats as my condiments. But I'm kinda like a dragon on acid, immaculate rapping and fire spitting, grabbing my sack, I'm ripping the photo, bumping Ofo, Kanye West. Cause nigga, I'm that motherfucker like Delonte West, and my rhyme skills is deadly as Magic Johnson on minefields. Boom, it's blood spilling your womb before you let time heal. Boy, I wouldn't worry, your time kills, cause I will murder your rap shit. Your flow is catfish, not real. And you're not trill, don't be trying to get these bars for free. Bitch, I got bills, I'm charging you if they charging me. And I'm arguably one of the best, we gotta wait and see. I'm Rayado on Game 6 the way I saved the heat, nigga.